having read that part, I want to speak to the role models. So, in your book, God is pretty much the role model, in as much as Obolelaga, other men in the Bible, or David, or Joseph, by Logorege, the example that men use or men can look up to. Lirena, the poet here, Obolela about his dad having been a role model mo bophelong ba hae. So Rena, as a community, as Black people, we lack that. We don't have that balance of role models and having, like we know already, Mitzeminshi is headed by single mothers, grandmothers and all. Banna ba hona mo gausi. So that thing, I think banna, it's something that they actually need to look into.